Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to add a payment method on Fiverr. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Fiverr and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're gonna find dashboard, my business, growth and marketings, analytics. Right here, you're gonna find notifications, messages, help and resources, and your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it. And then right here, you're going to find profile, refer a friend, settings, billing and payment, your language, currency, and lastly, the logout option. So we're going to click on profile. And right here, as you can see, guys, you can customize your profile. You can change your name, your picture, also add a description, add the language, skills, education, and certification. As you can see, guys, right here, you can't add a payment method. So if you want to add a payment method, go ahead and click on your profile picture again, and then go to billing and payments. Once you click on billing and payments, you're going to be right here. As you can see, guys, there is four sections: billing history, which has the your billing history right here. As you can see, guys, in my case, there is no invoices yet. Right here, you're gonna find billing information if you want to update your billing informations, and then click on Save Changes to save every change that you made. Right here, you're gonna find available balances. So there is the Fiverr balance that you have, and also Fiverr credits. And lastly, there is payment methods. So basically, guys, once you click on Add Payments Method, right here you have two options. You can either add your PayPal account or your credit or debit card. Just fill this form and then click on Save, and your payments method will be updated. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.